Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says, let z equals this. I hope you remember this person. Okay, it is cube root of unity. So, it is x plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, cube root of unity means what? X cube equals to 1. So 1 will come this side, it will become x cube minus 1 cube. Okay, and you guys can write down this thing as this. Okay, now the first root will be derived from here, which is 1, and the second root we will have from here, minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. So it is minus 1 plus minus root 3 by 2 iota. Okay, so this thing is, the first root is 1, the second root is 1 plus root 3 iota by 2, and minus 1 minus root 3 iota by 2. So we will call it as 1. This is omega, this is omega square. So from now onwards, if you will observe this thing, or you will observe this equation, you have to conclude that you will have roots as omega and omega square. Okay, so z is omega. Okay, and some property you have to handle, that sir 1 plus omega square will be equal to 0. This is the first property, and omega cube equals 1. So these two results you have to digest. Now look at this, what they are trying to say, where I is negative of minus 1 under root, and R and S are two elements which belongs to this thing. Let P is this, so P matrix is this, and I be the identity matrix of order 2, then the number of ordered pair of RS. So you have to count the number of R and S such that P square is equal to minus of I. So first try to find out P square. So who is P square? P square is minus z power r minus z power r. Okay, then z power 2s, z power 2s, then z power 2s, z power r, z power 2s, z power r. So this thing again will multiply minus z power r, z power 2s, z power 2s, z power r. So let's multiply. So p square will be equal to what? Look at this. To get this element, we have to multiply elements of this thing with this. Okay. So base, we have to multiply this with this. So base is same. So power will be added. So it is minus of z power 2r. As it is even, so it will become plus. Okay. This thing is gone. Now you will multiply this with this. So base is same, power will be added. So z power 4s. So this is your first element. Now to get the next element, we have to multiply this with this. Okay. So can I write minus 1 power r and then z power r? So can I write z power r plus 2s? Just think about it. And then we will multiply this with this. So plus z power r plus 2s. Okay, this is your second element. Now focus on the third element. We will multiply this with this. So it is minus 1 power r, z power r plus 2s plus z power r plus 2s. Okay, now we will multiply, we will try to calculate the fourth element. So it is z power 4s plus z power 2r. So we got this as the matrix. Okay, and they are saying that p square is equal to minus of I. Minus of I means what? Minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Correct na? Now be super slow. If you will observe, this element and this element are all exactly the same. Only the location is different. So 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2 are same. So it is minus 1. It is 100% okay. Now we have to make sure that this is equal to 0. And it is equal to 0 only if, look at this element and this element is same, both are magnitude wise same. If this person will produce minus 1, this will get neutralized. So can I say that r has to be odd? If r is odd, then only it will be 0. Here also we will have same situation because both elements are same. So r is odd. Suppose r is odd. So we have how many choices? 1, 2, 3. 3 choices. Out of which the first odd number is 1. So s can take 1, 2, 3. Now be super slow. Suppose that s is 1. So look at this person. So r is 1, s is 1. So can I say that omega power 2 plus omega power 4? You know that omega power cube is 1. So this thing will become what? Omega cube into omega. So can I write omega square plus omega? You also know that 1 plus omega square is 0. And this thing has to be, look at this. So can I say that omega square plus omega will be equal to minus 1? So this means s equals to 1 is true. Correct? Now check the next result. S equals to 2. So if s equals to 2, omega equals to 2 plus omega power 2 plus omega power 8. So omega power 8 means what? Omega power 8 means this will become omega power 2, because omega cube, omega 2. This thing 1, this thing 1. So omega square plus omega square 2 times omega square. And you know that you want what? You want minus 1. But omega square is not minus 1. So 2 is not the correct thing. Correct? Now we have to focus on the third thing, that s is 3. So can I write omega power 2 plus omega power 12? Okay, now look at this. Can I write omega square plus omega cube, omega cube, omega cube, omega cube? So it is 1, 1, 1, 1. So it is 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega square is what? Minus of omega. It is not 1, minus 1. So again it is also wrong. Is that okay? I hope this part is clear. Now we will check the second odd number for r. R equals to 3. So we will check s equals to 1, then 2, then 3. We have to make this thing minus 1. Now omega power 6 plus omega power 4. Now you know that this is omega cube means 1. And this is omega cube into omega. So it is omega. And which is equal to minus of omega square, not minus 1. So it is wrong. So this is false. Now we will check 2. So omega power 6 plus omega power 8. So omega power 6 is what? 1. And omega power 8 is what? Omega cube, omega square. So it will become minus of omega, not minus 1. So again wrong. Now we have to check the last option 3. So omega power 6 plus omega power 12. You know that it can be written as omega cube into omega cube, that is 1. Then this is omega cube, omega cube, omega cube and omega cube. So it is also 1. So this is 2, not minus 1. So again it is wrong. So we got how many ordered pair? Only one ordered pair. Only one ordered pair of r comma s, that is 1 comma 1. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.